Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yotpo Reviews app for trust building and dropshipping, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install the Yotpo Reviews app for trust building and dropshipping, start by accessing your Shopify admin panel. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the apps section located on the left sidebar. Click on Shopify App Store to enter the app marketplace. In the search bar, type Yotpo and press enter. Select the Yotpo Reviews app from the search results. Click the green Add App button to begin the installation process. You will be redirected to a permissions page. Review the permissions required by Yotpo. If you agree, click on the Install App button. After installation, a setup wizard will guide you through the configuration. Log in or create an account with Yotpo during the initial setup. Connect your store by following the prompts provided. Once connected, personalize your review settings. Select the review display styles that align with your branding. Configure email requests for post-purchase reviews. Set up any additional features such as SMS notifications if desired. Save your changes to finalize the setup. Now, check the appearance of the reviews widget on your product pages. You may want to customize the look and feel to match your store's theme. Preview the changes and ensure everything aligns with your expectations. After confirming the settings, publish the updates to your store. Finally, monitor the reviews and feedback from customers through the Yotpo dashboard. This will help you build trust and credibility for your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.